Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my bag for Ipsy. This is a really pretty purple color, though it kind of looks a little blue on camera, but I'm loving the bag this month for November. Always get a little card on the inside. Let's take a look at my products. First item is nail polish from Pretty Woman. That's a pretty shade, really dark. I used to get excited about nail polish samples in these bags, or full-size items rather, but I do Color Street now, so I never actually paint my nails, but I might use it. Maybe I'll do like an accent nail or something, we'll see. And this is Extraordinary Translucent Powder. Very tiny little case, but that's what that looks like. Also have from Smashbox, this is Always On Liquid Lipstick. It's a nice color. Got that. There's a huge item at the bottom. Lock-It Waterproof Pencil Eyeliner, and this is in Pearl Brown. Oh, that is really pretty. There's a little shimmer to it. I normally don't use brown, but I'm definitely going to try that. Looks pretty cool. The last item, what is this? Cake, the Do Gooder residue-free, quick cleaning, style extending, volumizing dry shampoo. I was like, okay, get to it. What is this? It is a volumizing dry shampoo. I wonder if it smells like cake. I'm going to spray it real quick. Well, it definitely doesn't smell like normal dry shampoo. It does kind of smell like cake. It smells good. It's not exactly as sweet as cake in my opinion, but I like the concept. That's pretty cool. We got a decent size of that. So I got a pretty good bag this month. And I love that that's pink inside, purple on the outside. Very cool. So if you guys are interested, if you want to sign up for Ipsy, I'll put all their information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys!